Hello everyone. So this shibori printed dress I dyed and constructed on my own. Attaching a link for you to watch. Now coming back to this video, here I'll be sharing with you on how I constructed this mock sleeve flared dress. Here I have used a 4-meter silk fabric printed in floral. The entire pattern is cut out in 3 pieces, the bodice and the skirt in 2. The front and the back skirt pattern is cut out on fold. The bodice, both front and back, are cut out to standard shoulder to waist dart with a round neckline, and that is the mock sleeves. The fabric buttons are created from the same fabric and will be non-functional. Here I am attaching a small snippet of me sewing all the seams so that the entire outfit comes together. This is the entire outfit sewn together except of course the side seam. That is where I will be attaching the pockets. Once all the patterns are stitched together and the dress is complete, I usually steam iron the seams so that the threads get melted into the fabric. This is the completed outfit. The waist to shoulder dart on both the sides, the mock sleeves, and then the flared skirt. That's how it looks. Oh yes, the pockets. I also have pockets in the outfit that I'm wearing currently. I created a half hair updo with the hair in the front curled, framing my face. I also created a hair clip, a bow hair clip. I love it. Using this as a hair accessory. I am also going to wear these oxidized earrings. This is how the entire outfit turned out to be. Do let me know your thoughts on the outfit and if you would consider wearing the similar pattern. Please do share the video among your friends and family, like the video and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye!